Samsung's next big event will be the announcement of their foldable devices, which is going to be the Z Fold 4 and the Z Flip 4 in the month of August or July. Now we have got a lot of information regarding the Z Fold 4 today that reveals we are finally getting what we have been asking for years. Now basically the first thing we are going to talk about is the battery capacity that has been leaked. Well, according to the Galaxy Club, the batteries of the Z Fold 4 has been leaked and it shows the capacity is remaining the same, which is 4400 milliamp, same as the Z Fold 3. The battery life on the Z Fold 3 wasn't really impressive, so some of you think that it's remaining the same and isn't really good news. But according to the leaks, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus is expected to be much more efficient, as Qualcomm is expected to tweak in the favor of better efficiency, so expect the battery life to be little better than last time. So honestly, if that is true, then it is going to be a good jump in the battery department as well. Now, moving forward towards the other leaks, the recently Ice Universe mentioned that Z Fold 4 will be lighter and thinner and will be more compact than its predecessor. A day later, he also tweeted the size change is going to be pretty significant. Not only it's smaller and lighter, but the bezels has been trimmed as well. Today, he gave another context saying that the inner display aspect ratio of the Z Fold 4 has been more closer to square from a 5.4-inch taller aspect ratio on the Z Fold 3. He has even provided a render to demonstrate how this change is going to be. A squarish inner display on the Z Fold 4 means that the outer display is going to get wider as well, as other brands like Huawei Mate X2 has the wider display and its inner display was coming with a similar square shape as the Ice Universe has mentioned. So this is a nice welcome change we are getting with the Z Fold 4. A never outer display is one of the three biggest complaints people have with the Samsung foldables, and it's about the time that Samsung is finally addressing the limitation. Now, because of all these changes, like we have a wider display, a better camera system, and even an efficient battery capacity, means that a huge demand could be expected for the foldable lineup. And that is true because Ross Young, the display analyst, says that the production of the Z Fold 4 and the Z Flip 4 are more than double what it was for the Z Fold 3 and the Flip 3, at least for the launch. Now the production has been double from the last year model, so this means that the upcoming Z Fold 4 and the Z Flip 4 could be going to have a lower price tag, as the Ross Young also believes similar to that, which definitely means that we can expect a price cut in the foldable lineup. And having a price cut will definitely means more people could afford these foldable devices and the future will be bright for foldables. Anyway guys, I'm super excited about the Z Fold lineup. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion on that? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for daily tech video. Peace.